Welcome my fellow LEGO fans to another edition of This Old LEGO Brick. Today I have a LEGO City update of Old Brick Town, and if you want to stick around to the end, my daughter Adelie wants to show you her LEGO City that she's worked really hard on. And if this is your first time watching, welcome to my channel. We're glad to have you. First thing you're going to see is I added quite a bit to the town. I have the Ferris wheel over there, along with the slope road section. If you followed me on Instagram or previous YouTube videos, I did move the police station a little bit, but this is not where it's going to be permanently. I've worked on the canal. I've done some other minor details. Let's take a closer look. Ran in gray bricks, so the canal stops right about there. There is no bridge yet that connects both roads, but that is not stopping Joker from his escape. Here's from the other side. You can get a good look at the slope road. In the rear of my renovated Pop's Grocers or convenience store. Here's yet another angle from the city station subway entrance. Here's another look. Now my question to you is, instead of building a third bridge here, I might be moving that Spider-Man battle bridge here to connect both of the roads. What do you think? Or do you think I should build another bridge? Let me know in the comments below. Here's one of my favorite views. Look down and you see nothing but Lego City. I love it. Ferris wheel. I love it in this space because there's no building hiding it. Looks really natural, I think, in back of the gas station. Though not quite so near the Irish Travelers Camp here. But where I grew up, the fairgrounds were pretty much in the inner city. So I would like to move it to the beach area, put it on top of a pier or a boardwalk, and that's where it'll eventually go. But I've got other pieces to order first before I do that. Let's start it up. It is a little noisy, so I won't keep it on for long. But I think that just looks fabulous. I'm going to have to put the fairground mixer in here as well. Again, once I make the room. Beyond the Ferris wheel, you can take a closer look at the slope road and how it will intersect with the lower city. Here we have the Joker, once again attempting to escape the Batman. Here's a look at the opposite corner of the city. I have a few nearly finished mocks. Here's the brick bank and the fire station and my mock music studio They're still having that party on top of that roof. Here's back behind the detective office and the Lego newsstand. Another view of the action over the canal. Now I want to share with you some of the subtle changes I'm making to the city. For those of you with a sharp eye, you will notice that there are some discrepancies between the road heights here. It's because I'm raising all of the areas in the upper section one more plate in height. I found out that doubling the 16 by 16 plates for the sections here and on the bottom provide better stability, makes it easier for me to lift these sections of the city and move them around, and I will actually be replacing my larger gray base plates in the lower town with the same model. Also, here's another idea I'm playing with, is removing the curb. You can see right here, that is very common with modular sets, this light gray curb area, with this. And I'm still toying with the idea, and that means raising the buildings up one more plate higher than I have it over here. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is, those of you who have seen my videos before, my roads are not very wide. They're just wide enough for a 6-stud vehicle, 6-stud in width vehicle, but it could use a little bit more room. So by eliminating that and putting this piece there and one on the other side, I've essentially widened the road just shy of 2 more studs. Plus, I think it's a little more realistic looking as well. All right, let's take a quick drive-by underground. I'm not going to go into much detail down here. I have better videos that showcase the areas underneath my city, including a lava bed. I'll put those links below in the description if you have not seen them before. And one more thing I've done with the city is I added lights to the passenger train. I hope you've enjoyed watching the changes that I've made to the city and the future plans I have for it. But now let's check out my daughter's Lego city. She's been aching for me to make a video. All right, let's go. So tell us about your city.
It's from right here, like the curly, like this side, and right there, it's like little thing, but it's alright.
Yeah?
And so, like the truck is little right there.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to tell us?
So like a mushroom and like a part of my toy.
I see, yeah, we have some non-Lego in our Lego city. That's what breeds imagination, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Anything else? What's your favorite part?
The slide is my favorite part, but it's a little purple in my favorite color, but it's almost dark.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks. Looks good. Keep on building. Well, there you have it. If you liked the video, please click like. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. I'd like to hear from you in the comments below, but more importantly, happy building. All right, until next time.